Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the help button in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the Learn section, click on the Solo Chess button. And at the bottom of the page, look for the light bulb button and click on that. And as you can see, this one will help to hint you what you should do. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.